Y'all, what's the deal, man? JT back with another video. I don't think I uploaded a video since the 4th of July, but better late than never, man. It's my little brother's birthday. I was supposed to get this video out like a day or two ago, but I had too much going on, so I'm just now getting around to it. As you can see today, so far we are at 258 so far. It is 11:30 a.m. Not too bad starting out. Yesterday was a good day. I had a video kind of go viral, so I was able to make over $1,000. That's why I said I wanted to make the video yesterday, but today is cool. Whatever, we still make some decent results so far for a month. 22, 112, and 70 cents. Couple things I wanted to talk about in this video. I want to highlight my student member, whatever you want to call it, testimonial. He was able to send me a video over, and this is me just working with him for one day. There's two things I want to talk about: his testimonial plus the new TikTok profit system I'm offering. But first things first, I want to display his testimonial that he made, that he sent over to me the other day, and I'm gonna play that right now. So yeah, that was his testimonial. Long story short, I just sold him my Make Money with JT TikTok account. He was able to grab that off of me. And the very first video that I created for him kind of blew up. As you can see, it got 23,600 views. He uploaded some more videos on his own. I just uploaded another one I did for him, which leads me to my next point, which I'm unlocking or starting the TikTok profit kit, where I basically build your accounts exactly like I build mine on TikTok from complete scratch. By the time I'm done, your account will be fully set up with optimized branding, uploaded content, captions, and a clear posting strategy. You can log in and continue growing it. Once I'm done with it, you will have over 1,000 followers on the account. I'm basically creating you a brand new TikTok account, set up your profile, set up your bio links, give you the best MaxBounty offers, show you how to get approved on private offers. I know a lot of y'all been asking about that. I'm gonna be creating 10 to 25 viral style TikTok videos depending on the payment plan you set up. I will upload all the videos to your account or just send them to you so you can upload it. I write all the captions, hashtags, call to actions, everything you would need. I will schedule or space out the posting strategy, and I will provide a 30-day posting game plan, man. So the whole basically done for you TikTok business. You can piggyback off of once I'm done. Two different payment options. You could do $250 for 25 viral videos posted to your account with me setting them up, or you could do the 10 viral videos for $100. So it's up to you. Two different payment, two different pricing options. Payment options, I'm taking Zelle, Cash App, Apple Pay, the regular. And once you see which package you want, the 25 video package or the 10 video package, shoot me an email at Big Figures to get started. I'm gonna leave a link to this Google Doc file so you can see exactly what you get my email, all that stuff. And once you're ready, shoot me an email on which is your preferred payment option. I normally set it up on ClickFunnels, but my ClickFunnels is down right now. I need to go ahead and pay that. And I'm also working on a stand store, which is not ready yet, which is why I have everything in the Google Doc file right now. And I'm only offering this. I might do this package deal for like 4 to 5 different people. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, more than likely it's going to be probably just 5 people. I do this payment, offer the TikTok profit kit too. And after that, I'm going to probably release another course, maybe in a month or so. I'm trying to see if I'm missing anything. Yeah, I haven't made no YouTube videos in weeks, so yeah. But whatever you're interested in, like I said, I will leave a link in the description and comment section down below. Go through the Google Doc file. Like I said, pick your do you want the 25 video package or the 10 video package? And once you have your preferred payment option, shoot me an email and we can get you set up. Like I said, I'm only doing this for probably 5 people. After that, New course launch in probably like another month or so. And yeah, that's that, man. Shout out to JC on his results. It's time to turn it up, man. We're going into August, going towards my favorite time of the year. I got a lot of stuff I'm working on right now. And yeah, man, stay tuned. Got any questions? Leave it down below. And I will see y'all in the next video.